Today, happy Deepavali. Celebrate Deepavali. In the serene state of meditation, prepare the lamp of your heart. Place the oil of devotion in the lamp. Kindle the wick with the fire of aspiration. Keep trimming the wick of the inflated ego by selfless service and dedication to God. Place the lamp in Satsanga. Light up your heart with divine delight and blossom like a lotus, wafting the aroma of universal peace, kindling aspiration in the hearts of all. Enjoy the miracle of divine grace. Lo, you are the light of lights. Celebrate Perpetual Deepavali, the festivity of light, the dissemination of knowledge. Om Shreem Maha-Lakshmyai Namah.